In this video, I'm going to show you a super simple way that you can add a new left-hand pattern to your 3/4 and 6/8 songs using only the chords that you have. Be sure to stick around to the end of this video and I'm going to tell you how you can get 3 free Zoom classes with me before the end of December. So we're going to start out with the song, Oh Holy Night. It's really simple. And what we're going to do is replace with our left hand, instead of just playing one sound, we're going to play the 3 sounds that are in our chord. So if I play F on my right hand, my left hand is going to play F, but one at a time. F, A, C. So I'm going to play a little bit so you can hear what it sounds like, and then we'll go through really slow. Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of the dear Savior's birth. So you can hear it gives this really nice rumbly, kind of river flowing in the background sound to our left hand. So when I see F, I'm going to play 3 notes. F slash. So every time I have something written on the page, I'm playing 3 notes with my left hand. A minor, A, C, E, okay, A minor, slash. B flat, I'm going to play B flat, D, and F. B flat, slash, and then back to F. F, slash, slash, slash. Now, when you get to the B flat over C, this is a funny chord. We will talk about it future videos about why we can't break it up. But for this one, I want you to play it as an F. Okay, just pretend it just has F slash instead, so that you can keep doing your pattern in the left hand. For the G over B, you can do this one. You'd go B, D, and G. And then for the F over F and F over E, just pretend those are Fs for now. If you do join the premium membership, you'll see I talk about a way that you can add in some triplet fills into your walk down, which are really cool, which is why I wrote it that way. But for now, just keep them as Fs. Okay, so let's try it really slow. And then again, make sure to stick around so that you can find out how to get those 3 free classes. So here we go. Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of the dear Savior's birth. Keep it as F. Long lay the world in sin and error pining till he appeared and the soul felt its worth. So really pretty. A thrill of hope. The weary soul rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious, just F, F, fall on your knees. Oh, hear the angel voice. So really simple, just the same all the way through. Oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born. You could get louder. Oh, night, oh, night, oh, holy night, oh, night divine. All right, so that's how you can add in that broken chord left hand pattern. This one works with the 3 notes on 3/4 time and 6/8 time, which is what this one is. If you want more information on what is 6/8 time and 3/4 time, we do go over that in the premium membership and in some of our other classes. Now, if you want to get 3 free 1-hour Zoom classes with me, make sure to head over to thegospelmethod.com. We have a promotion happening until the end of the year. I'm going to extend it all the way till the end of December for you guys, where you can join for 1 month for lessons with me, which is normally 4 classes a month, and you're only going to pay for 1 class. Okay, so you're going to get 75% off your first month. Go over to thegospelmethod.com, book a lesson. I'll put the link in the description below, and all you need to do is fill out a contact form there, and I will call you. You're not going to get charged for filling that out. It's just going to send me a message saying, hey, like, I would be interested in doing that, and I'll call you and see if it's a good fit and get more information about what you're looking to learn in these lessons. You can go over anything from year 1 and 2, or anything from your church that you're looking to learn, or anything from the hymn book, anything you want, and I'll help you in those Zoom lessons and get feedback. You can play for me, I can see what you're doing, and help you get over those humps if you're getting a little bit stuck. Alright, so make sure you go to thegospelmethod.com, book a lesson, and I'll reach out to you this week and we'll get you set up with those classes. Alright, have a good night, everybody. Bye!